you know that 99% of people will never become millionaires, not because of they can't, just because of they don't know the exact plan, they don't know the exact roadmap. I'll show you. I'll share my plan in this video. Zero to how I plan to make $0 to $1 billion. So watch till the end, and it will be valuable content for you. Hi, it's me, Joy AlRIC. I am 18 and I have taken on the greatest mission of my entire life, building a personal brand and documenting my full journey to becoming the first millionaire in my bloodline. Yes, my grandfather, my father is not rich, they are not wealthy. Yes, I'm going to break this cycle. I'm the first person to take the first step, who take the first step to break this cycle. So if you born in a lower middle class or middle class family, you have to do this also. You have to do this. So I'll share my plan in this video. Zero to how I plan to make $0 to $1 million. So let's break it down. Before we dive into the main topic, I would like to share with you my English is not so good. I mean normal beginner level English. I've learned I'll make mistakes sometimes. You have to
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
That's it. And this video is not scripted. That's why sometimes I am stuck in video. So one more thing I want to tell you that you have to clear your why. First of all, you have to clear your why you want to be, why you want to earn, and why you want to go there. Or I want to go America, especially my soul connected to America. So what you want and where you want to go in future, you have to decide this. You have to clear this goal. So I'm write it down. Let's see. So first of all, my why. My why is. Can you see it? Okay. My why is retiring my parents. I can make mistake. Is it right or wrong? I don't know. So retiring my parents and give them the life they deserve. Listen carefully. My parents are faced so many problems, so many obstacles in life. So I see their cry. I'm going to emotional. So not telling this. So clear your why. First of all, you have to clear your why. Your why is going to many things. My why is my parents. So it's my parents. Your why is to your why will be something like that. You want a life that you luxury lifestyle or something else, and you have to, or something like me. I am going to do this for my parents, especially for my parents. Then come to me. If I do for my parents, God will give to me that I want. My why is clear. It's clear, and then we dive into the next topic. The plan is to build a personal brand. So for building a personal brand, I have to create content for building my personal brand and going to be a millionaire. For personal brand, I have to do regular content. One, regular content with value. I have to give you the value. So I am sharing this plan just for you, those who are watching this. And second thing is $1 million. This is the main thing for millionaire. So I write it down. But I have to do $1 million. For $1 million, I have to do first mastering one skill. That for me is digital marketing. I learn social. I am learning. I'll share with you also with next video. In donor for one skill is you have to learn skill. Mainly you have to learn skill. So it's going to have four phase and four targets. 4 phase and 4 targets. It's not scripted, that's why I'm getting stuck. 4 phases are learning. Now I'm in learning phase. Okay, learning. Second is earning. Third is investing money into RY. Okay, 4 is repeating. I'll repeat. First learn, earn, invest, then repeat it. Learn, earn, invest. Okay, learn new thing, earn, invest, then I will learn, earn, invest. So repeating. Okay, sometimes I use Bangla language because of my I'm a Bangladeshi. So 4 targets are 0 to 1k and 1k to 10k and 10k to my 100k mission and 100k to my first million. It's not going to so easy. I know it's going to so hard, but I'll take it easy. I have to take it easy. So we are going to another page. Now I'm in learning phase. You are also in learning phase. I think you are in learning phase or intermediate phase, or you are earning $20, $50. Oh, I want to tell you one thing. I have earned $50, but it's I invest in my personal brand. So I have started this career. I have started this career in 2025. I'm not serious about that, and I'm not full time doing this. I'm doing this part time, and I waste so many times on doom scrolling and stuff like that. See, I'm at learning phase, and my target is 0 to 1k dollar per month, and I have wasted so many times that I have told I have told first clip. So just to share, I have earned $50 through video editing. I have edited just part time, and I don't focus on study. I don't focus on full time in this field. I am just now serious about this. So I documenting this plan and share with you so that you can get the value and you can get the direction. So my core skill is digital marketing. Digital marketing have many niches in digital marketing, that is social media marketing, social media management, social media growth, video editing, graphics designing. So I'll first learn social media management and social media growth, how to manage social media and how to grow social media, so that I can learn and I can provide another people in another country or in my country and give them value. I can make money. Money is a byproduct. You have to give value. First you have to give value. So that's it. Now my main goal is to learn this, and I will watch videos in Udemy or Google, YouTube. Okay, I'll watch videos on YouTube. You can also watch, I'll link in the description some videos link, so you can get that videos. So Udemy, Google, YouTube. Now what I am going to tell you, that you have to clear that one skill and master it and give them value, and you will get money. So I'll try to earn 1k. My target is to earn, before I enter 2026, I have to hit 1k. My target is that you have to grow brick by brick. I don't here to give you quick money lesson how to make money in just the 1 month, 3 months like that. You will be millionaire. No, I'm not here to. I'm here to share my journey, and you will get the real and actionable step. So today's actionable step is learn social media management or social media growth. Take one skill and master it and give value to people, and you will get money. Money is a byproduct. You will give value, you automatically you will get money. So today's video is here. Actionable step is that learn one skill at a time. Social media management and social media growth, in just 2 week or 3 week you will learn it, and you have to master it in a month, in a 2 month, 1 month, or in a 2 month. You have to master it. Practice make man perfect. So practice it. Actionable step I told you, and take action. Believe in yourself and take the first step.